Hi guys and welcome to Carflix. Today I'm going to show you how to repair fuel clips on a 2010 Peugeot RCZ HDI. So without further ado, let's crack on with that video. So this is the fuel filter. What can happen over time is the fuel clips tend to break just where the fuel filter is, because this is a serviceable item that needs to be changed every 20,000 miles or 2 years, whichever comes first. And as you can see with this one, it's perished and it's actually broken, so it's really hard to get off, as is the other side. But what I did was I went on AliExpress and I found you could actually buy these parts for a few pounds delivered. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this off and I'm going to show you how to fit these. Right, so I've pulled the old clip out. It just came into pieces like that. It was really deteriorated, and what I've done is that bottom bit goes in the base of there. So what I'm going to do is put a brand new one in now, and as you can see, this is a new one. Okay, that's the old one, and all we're going to do is seat this inside the top of there. Now I can't remember which way around it is. I think it's that way, but we'll soon find out. So yeah, it goes in that way. All I did was push it in, and now I'm going to see if it clicks in. And there you go, it's all in and it works perfectly. So all I did was just pushed it straight in and it clips. So all you do is, to undo it, you push it down and that comes up to tell you that you can pull it off. And then when you put it back on again, you push it in and push that down, and then it's locked again. All done. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.